GembaDocs brings in the patio furniture.
Hey everybody, it's a Saturday in Buffalo, New York in October. Could start snowing anytime now. Anyhow, had to start bringing in some stuff. Took down all our patio stuff, brought it downstairs, started putting it away, and took off our awning and did some stuff there. So I want to show you something I did with GembaDocs over the winter and see how it all worked out. So here we are with a little storage area under our stairs where some of our stuff goes. So I have this GembaDoc here that I hang right up here on the wall. It shows all the different things. There I put landscape lights all the way back there, nice small bins. And put in these large pool lounge chairs, and it says the way to put them in, and they're labeled that way. I put in these other planters and this fire pit, and then it tells me to put in this shelf. Hope this all looks good for you. Put this on there, slide in the love seat furniture in there. And this year we are taking down the awning. So I said, hey, I'll put it in here, and I just quickly added that in. Made life real easy. Knew exactly where everything needed to go. I got a few more things out there we're gonna leave out in case we wanna sit out. But I just wanna say, hey, thanks Tom for making GembaDocs, made this a lot easier. I got a lot of other storage areas that I did a very similar thing with that made things easy. Brought the stuff right down, put it right in place, all done, one shot. Thanks a lot.